Did you know that some of the biggest faceless YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars every single month just by uploading simple cartoon animation videos for kids? And the best part, they don't even animate these videos themselves. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but didn't have the skills, the budget for expensive software, or the time to learn animation, then this video is exactly what you need. Because today, I'm going to show you how you can create high-quality, trending cartoon animation videos using only free tools and in just 4 simple steps. No need for complicated software, no need for advanced skills. AI will do everything for you. And the best part, kids watch these videos over and over again, and the YouTube algorithm keeps pushing them to millions of views, making it one of the best ways to monetize a faceless YouTube channel this year. So if you want to create videos like this, get monetized and start earning thousands of dollars every month, then stay with me till the end of this video. Because by the time you finish watching, you'll be able to create and upload your own cartoon animations today.
Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends.
Let's get started. Step 1. Writing a story. To create a story, we will be using ChatGPT. Every cartoon animation video starts with an engaging story. But don't worry if you're not a professional writer. ChatGPT will create the perfect story for you. Just give it a basic idea, and ChatGPT will craft an engaging story for you. As you can see, I have provided the idea. You are a professional story writer. Write a 250-word story about a 5-year-old girl named Irish who lives with her grandparents in a little village near the river. Irish has a cute little face, has long brown wavy hair, has blue eyes, and wears a blue dress and black shoes. She has a secret best friend, a tiny fairy princess, Lenny. Lenny is a fairy princess who always wears orange dress and shoes. Lenny appears only when she is alone. I submitted the idea, and as you can see, ChatGPT has generated an engaging story based on the concept we provided. Next, I will generate image prompts for the story. I wrote the command prompt to generate 15 image prompts for each scene, and then provide detailed character descriptions and visual description of every scene. This way, it will provide detailed visual description of every scene of the story. I submitted the prompt, and within a few seconds, ChatGPT has generated the story image prompts. Now I am satisfied with the results, and these prompts will help ensure consistency throughout the story. As you can see, ChatGPT has arranged the narration for the first scene, making it much easier for us to know exactly what to narrate in the first scene. In the same way, ChatGPT has arranged the entire story scene by scene, making it much easier for narration. Now that our story and image prompts are ready, the next step is to generate realistic images using these prompts. Step 2. Text-to-image. I will be using the most advanced text-to-image AI tools, the Pixar-inspired. Pixar-inspired AI is a versatile, free AI image generator that transforms text prompts into high-quality visuals across various artistic styles. Accessible via web and iOS app, it caters to creators, marketers, designers, and hobbyists seeking to bring their ideas to life without prior design experience. I opened Pixar-inspired and I'm already logged in. As you can see, people are generating amazing images using this advanced AI tool. And the best part, you can generate unlimited images with this AI tool 100% free of cost. After logging in, click on the Create button. So I will copy the first prompt and head over to Pixar-inspired AI to generate the image. Now paste the prompt here. And at the end of the prompt, add 3D Pixar style to generate cartoon images instead of realistic. After that, click on this button and select the Flux 1 model. And in the dimension section, select the ratio 16:9 and set the quantity to 2 to generate 2 image variations at a time. Then click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, Pixar-inspired will generate 2 image variations based on the prompt we provided. As you can see, Pixar-inspired has generated 2 variations of the same prompt, and the result is just incredible. Repeat that process until you finish generated all your text prompt into images. Just copy your text prompt and ChatGPT, paste it in Pixar-inspired, then click the Generate button. To save the images in your computer, click the arrow at the lower part of the image, then save it in your folder. Collect all the images that you want to include in your animated video project. Make sure you put them in one folder, so these are the images that I created in Pixar-inspired. Now that our story images are ready, the next step is to bring them to life. Step 3. Generating a video. To transform these images to a video and make them to life. Step 3. Image to video. I will be using the most advanced and free image to video AI tools. Hailuo AI. Take some time to generate videos, but the results are absolutely stunning. Hailuo AI is an AI-powered video generator created by Minimax that allows users to create videos from text descriptions or images. It offers features like text-to-video, image-to-video, and customizable templates, making video creation fast and easy. Hailuo AI also includes models for camera movement, director control, and subject consistency. Hailuo AI offers 100 free credits to all users, and the best part, these credits renew every day. This means you can generate high-quality videos daily without any cost. Since we already have an image, we will use image to video. To start, we just upload our image here. Wait until it is already uploaded. Then, apply camera movement. You can choose the camera movement that is suitable on your video. The camera movement will automatically apply on the description box. You can now add description here. Write some description on what the character will do in the video. You can also describe the surrounding if you want, then click the Generate button below. And your ongoing project will appear on the right. It will take some time to finish. You can generate 3 images at the same time. As you can see, here are some of my images that are now a video. To download these video, just click the arrow at the right side of the video, then save it into your computer. Step 5. Creating voiceover. I will be using 11 Labs AI to generate an ultra-realistic and free voice-over for the story. 11 Labs is a text-to-speech AI voice generator that offers realistic and natural voice customization to any video. I am already logged in, and 11 Labs offer 10,000 free credits to all users. The best part, these credits renew every month. After logging in, click on the Voices button. You can test all of these voices, but if you want to explore more options, click on the Library button.
Friends show their love in times of trouble.
Government of the people, by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth.
In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life.
Now you can test all the voices and choose the one that best suits your need.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
For this story, I will select this voice. First, I will click the Add button to add it to my voices list, then click the Use button to start using it. Now I will copy the narration of the story. After that, simply click the Generate button. It will take a few seconds to generate the voice.
In a quiet village near the river and songs of morning birds lived a 5-year-old girl named Irish. She had a cute little face, long brown wavy hair that bounced as she ran, and always wore her favorite blue dress and black shoes.
Then simply click the Download button to save it to your desktop. Step 5. Video editing. To create out animated video, we will use Filmora 9. Filmora is powerful video editing software for PC to edit and personalize videos with rich templates, effects, music, text, filter, and more elements. You can also use other video editing software that is already available in your computer. To start, we need to import the animated videos that we created in Hailuo AI. Make sure that you name them in sequence for us to easily edit them later. Then, select them all and drag them in your storyboard. You can also drag them one by one if you like. Next, I will import the voiceover that I created in 11 Labs AI. Then drag it to the timeline. I will also import a background music and sound effects that I want to use in this video. If you have no background music and sound effects in your computer, you can download them in YouTube Studio, and I guarantee that these musics are free to use and no copyright issues. Next, drag the background music in our timeline. I adjust the beginning of the video to create a title of the story. Click the titles. Select Titles Designs, drag it to the timeline, click Advance to edit the title. Delete all the unnecessary designs and other text that are not needed. Then change your title here. Type your title. Change the color of the text. And apply animation. You can select any animation in the text animation area. Then cut the background music. Separate the area of the title and the area of the story. That way, you can decrease the volume of the background music in the story area to emphasize the volume of the voiceover. Next, arrange the video length and timing. All you have to do is to play the video, so you can check if the timing of the voiceover and the video will match. If the video is more shorter and you need to make it longer, you can click the video and click Custom Speed to make it longer. Select Slow. Repeat the process until you already set proper length and timing of every scene. Next is to apply transition on every scene. All you have to do is to click Transition, then select Basic Transition. And here you can select any type of transition you want. Just select the transition and drag it in between scenes. Do this to all the videos. Then I apply sound effects. To apply the sound effects, just simply drag it to the area where you want them to play. Then click if the timing fits perfectly.
Sparkles. They flew to the fairy kingdom.
Next, I uploaded an image that will cover the watermark in every video. As you can see, the videos have watermark in the lower right side of the video. That is because we are using free account. You can avoid that watermarks when you paid monthly or yearly for using Hailuo AI. So to cover that, all we have to do is to drag the image, resize it, and position it to the area where the watermark is. Then drag the image from the beginning to the end of the video. Next, I will change the title image. Take snapshot of one of the video in the timeline. Then, click the camera below the preview window box and the image will appear on your project. Then drag the image on the very beginning of the timeline. There you have it. I already changed the title image. You can now export your project. Just click Export, type the file name of your video, select the folder where you want it to be saved. Then select MOV to export it in shorter period of time. Before I present the final version of this video project, I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe, especially if you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you.
In a quiet village near the river and songs of morning birds, lived a 5-year-old girl named Irish. She had a cute little face, long brown wavy hair that bounced as she ran, and always wore her favorite blue dress and black shoes. Irish lived with her kind grandparents in a cozy wooden cottage where flowers smiled from every windowsill. But Irish had a secret, one she kept deep in her giggles and dreams. Her best friend was a tiny fairy princess named Lenny. Lenny wore a sparkling orange dress and matching shoes, glowing like a sunset. She only appeared when Irish was alone, fluttering in with laughter and magic dust. Every day, they played hide-and-seek under mushrooms, painted rainbows with butterfly wings, and whispered stories to the wind. One sunny afternoon, Lenny took Irish's hand and said, "Come with me." With a swirl of sparkles, they flew to the fairy kingdom, an enchanted world of glowing trees, rivers that sang. It is a fairy magical kingdom. Irish's eyes widened as fairies danced in the air and unicorns pranced in the fields. It felt like a dream wrapped in wonder. "I want to stay forever," Irish whispered. But far away, her grandparents called her name with worried hearts. Lenny held her hand gently. "You have to go, but you'll always carry this magic." And just like that, Irish was back in her garden, her shoes a little dusty with fairy dust, her heart full of wonder, and a sparkle in her eyes that never left.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.